Okay, Caitlin, show us a cannonball.
Okay.
Good job, Jessie. That was pretty funny. Okay, now we'll watch Caitlin and then we'll see if you can do it, okay?
Jessie, watch me very, very closely. Jessie, walk. Okay. I'm watching.
Okay, watch Caitlin.
Cannonball!
Wow, okay. Okay, now Jessie's turn.
Ready? Cannonball!
Okay, everybody say cheese.
Cheese.
Parmesan.
Look at me and say cheese.
Cheddar.
Try not to sink Daddy too much.
Swiss. Can you do a back float like that? Like Caitlin is? Let me see how Caitlin do the back float. Let me see. Back float. You didn't do it.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. Back float.
Come on, Jess, look back at me. Lay on your back.
Back float.
Kick. Good job. Woohoo! Say cheese. Say hi, Jessie.
Hi, Jessie.
Say hi, Jessie.
Hi, Jessie.
Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi, Caitlin.
You follow water?